everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Happy New Year, everybody. Can you believe it's the first Saturday of 2025? This is crazy. We're kicking it off with retail for trade that is on any 2024 touring model. We want to get out with the old and get ready for the new 2025 models. We're going to have food truck, we're all going to be hanging out. We have our free beer and everything like that.
What is this? What is this? Rolling USA? 25?
Yeah, we're kicking off Daytona. Have you ever been to Daytona during Bike Week?
No, I haven't.
Well, you know what? Rolling Daytona is kicking off this weekend.
This weekend.
So it is the start of rally season. So I'm thinking palm trees, riding on the beach, headed to Daytona.
Sounds good.
People can win just by signing up. With some keywords, they can win a trip to Daytona. They get to go on stage. 10 qualifiers get to go on stage to turn the key to win a 2025 Harley-Davidson.
2025?
Yeah, what model? We don't know yet. You're going to have to wait till Saturday to find out because my lips are sealed. We got dealership giveaways too.
Dealership here?
Yeah, so we got swag bags. We have the wristbands to stay at the Pappy Hall Campground for Sturgis of 2025. The passes to the Harley-Davidson Museum.
Oh.
And you know what else they're doing? I don't know how much you know about the rolling campaigns. Did you know that there is a European Bike Week?
European Bike Week.
Yes. So just for entering Rolling USA, you get entered in for a chance to win a trip to to European Bike Week, which is in Austria. So there is now a Rolling Austria. I'm like, how cool is that? I want to go. I don't get to enter, but you know what? That would be cool to go. So you guys can have a kick-ass time in Austria. I mean, that's just crazy. Rolling USA is just expanding all the rallies and stuff. So we're not just in United States anymore.
United States and Texas.
So come on in this weekend and get registered. Get the keywords. Win a chance to go to Daytona Bike Week. A 2025 Harley-Davidson. Or a trip to Austria for European Bike Week. So come on and see us. We'll be here.
We'll be here.
We just need you. We'll see you then.